Hi Papu, what are you reading?
Appa, I am reading about this beautiful bird called Coppersmith Barbet.
Yes, this is a beautiful bird indeed. Coppersmith Barbet is a brightly colored bird with green, yellow and black feathers and crimson red on its head and throat. This bird is predominantly found across Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Majorly, this bird's food involves fruits and can often be seen in both urban and forest areas. This bird carves out holes in the tree branches to build its nest. The name Coppersmith Barbet comes from this bird's call, which resembles a coppersmith striking metal with hammer. Do you want to see this bird in real? You should finish your homework and wake up early this Sunday.
Okay, done.
Okay, then let's go to the park to see this bird. Wait, Papu. You should have patience when you want to watch a bird.
A few moments later.
Wow, look at the birds, Appa.
Look, here comes the barbet, the beautiful Coppersmith Barbet. Oh, look at that, Papu. It is carrying some fruit in its mouth. Maybe it will feed its young ones in the nest now. Let's wait and watch.
Oh, look, it is feeding the young one in the nest. This is so beautiful, Appa. Thank you very much, Appa, for showing this bird.
You are always welcome, Papu.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.